In this video, we're going to discuss the product completed workflow trigger. Now, this workflow trigger is essential when you are building memberships and you want to track progress of the progress of your members and how they're going through your course content. Okay. So this trigger is going to start workflow actions whenever somebody completely finishes your product. And a product could be essentially is like a course, like a full membership, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Add New Workflow Trigger button, and we're going to search for product. Now, in previous videos, we talked about access granted or removed, but we're going to focus on the product completed workflow trigger. Now, if we wanted to trigger this workflow whenever any product is completed, we would simply leave the filters off. And what that would do is any product across all, like any offer, any product that is fully completed, no matter what product it is, would trigger this workflow. Now, we probably want to be a little bit more specific than that because we want to send communications to these members based on the products that they're in. They could be in multiple products, and we want to maybe give them praise or give them reassurance after a product about the content, like about the course content. So what we're going to do is add some filters, and we're going to first select the product. And from here, we can select which product we want this workflow trigger to fire off of when it's completed. Okay, so let's just say whenever somebody finishes membership 1, we want this workflow to fire. You can add some more filters. Obviously, there's no more standard fields. You can add some custom field filters, like if only people that had certain information in their contact records, once they completed membership 1, then this fires. But that's getting a little bit into the weeds. We're going to keep it pretty simple. We're going to say anytime someone completes membership 1, we want all these things to happen. And, for example, if somebody completed membership 1, we'd add a tag saying membership 1 completed, send them a text and email saying, hey, congratulations, sir or ma'am, you just completed membership 1. Click here to purchase another membership, right? This could be an upsell opportunity. You can say, didn't we do such a great job? You can buy our product here, like another product here, okay? So once you're done, you want to make sure that you save and publish this workflow so that it fires whenever your members complete the product. And that is the product completed workflow trigger. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.